Guys, our road is being paved by this machine. Let's go and check it. China is very excellent at infrastructure. Wow, it's warm, very warm. There's a lot of steam. That machine is gigantic, huge, very flat, very smooth. Everyone has been working very hard. This road is going to be in the service very soon. That machine is flattening the surface of the road. That machine just gives out a lot of materials like those. And those guys just put the stuff, spread them. The machine is coming. Okay, more material. It's coming out. Wow. Let's go to the opposite and check it again. There's a very few chances that we can see a road being paved. Let's go to that direction. Oh my God, this is great. Awesome. Wow, this road is perfect. I'm going to back here when it's completed. This is a great team. Yeah, everyone is devoted, dedicated. Okay, I can. Yes, now I can walk on it. It's freshly paved. It's a little bit soft. Yeah, I can feel a little bit warmth. Wow, it's amazing. Yeah, I forgot the English term for this kind of material. In Chinese, it's li qin. It's wonderful. Oh.